What if you could start making money online with just one link? No complicated websites, no coding, no expensive tools. Just a simple storefront connected to your content. That's exactly what StanStore promises. But is it actually a real way to make money, or just another overhyped tool in the creator economy? In this video, we're going to break down what StanStore is, how it works, and most importantly, how people are actually turning it into real income. What StanStore really is. StanStore is an all-in-one platform designed for creators who want to sell directly to their audience. Instead of building a full website with multiple pages, integrations, and systems, StanStore gives you a single clean storefront link. You can place this link in your Instagram bio, TikTok profile, or anywhere your audience can click. When someone clicks that link, they're taken to your personal store where they can browse and purchase your products or services. The simplicity is what makes it powerful. It removes all the technical barriers that usually stop beginners from starting an online business. You don't need to understand coding, design, or even advanced marketing funnels to get started. Why StanStore became so popular? StanStore became popular because it solves a very real problem: complexity. Most online business tools are overwhelming, especially for beginners. They require multiple steps, different platforms, and a lot of setup time before you can even make your first sale. StanStore flips that model. It focuses on speed and simplicity. You can set up your store quickly, upload a product, and start selling within hours. This is especially important in today's fast-paced content world, where attention doesn't last long. If someone discovers you on TikTok or Instagram, you need a fast way to convert that attention into a sale. And that's exactly what StanStore enables. How StanStore actually makes you money. StanStore itself doesn't generate income automatically. It's not a magic tool. Instead, it acts as a bridge between your audience and your offer. You create content that attracts people, build trust with that audience, and then direct them to your store where they can buy something valuable. The real income comes from what you sell and how well you connect with your audience. If your offer solves a problem or provides value, people are willing to pay. StanStore simply makes that transaction smooth and easy. Without traffic and value, the platform won't make money. But with the right strategy, it can become a powerful income system. Selling digital products. One of the most common ways people make money on StanStore is through digital products. These are items you create once and sell repeatedly, such as ebooks, templates, guides, or checklists. The biggest advantage of digital products is that they don't require inventory or shipping. Once the product is created, it can be sold an unlimited number of times. This makes it highly scalable. A single product can generate income for months or even years. Many creators start small by creating simple products based on what they already know. Over time, as their audience grows, these products can turn into a significant source of passive income. Selling courses and knowledge. Another powerful way to use StanStore is by selling courses. If you have knowledge in a specific area, whether it's fitness, business, design, or social media, you can package that knowledge into a structured course and sell it. Courses tend to have higher value than basic digital products because they offer transformation. People are not just buying information, they're buying a result. Whether it's learning a new skill or improving their life in some way, courses can generate higher income per sale. StanStore allows you to host and sell these courses in a simple and accessible way. Offering services and coaching. For those who don't want to create products immediately, StanStore also allows you to sell services. This includes coaching, consulting, or freelance work. Instead of selling a product, you're selling your time and expertise. This is often the fastest way to start making money because you don't need to create anything up front. You can offer one-on-one sessions, strategy calls, or personalized services based on your skills. As your experience grows, you can later turn these services into products or courses, creating more scalable income streams. Subscription-based income. StanStore also supports subscription models, which allow creators to earn recurring income. Instead of making a one-time sale, you can charge customers monthly for access to exclusive content, communities, or ongoing support. This type of income is powerful because it provides stability. Instead of constantly searching for new customers, you build a base of subscribers who pay you regularly. Over time, this can turn into a predictable and reliable income stream, which is one of the key goals for many online creators. Affiliate marketing opportunities. Another way to make money using Stan Store is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or tools and earning a commission on each sale. If you already use certain tools or services, you can recommend them to your audience and earn money when they sign up or make a purchase. This works particularly well if your audience trusts your recommendations. You don't need to create your own product, which makes it an attractive option for beginners. However, success in affiliate marketing depends heavily on trust and authenticity. People are more likely to buy through your link if they believe your recommendation is genuine. The importance of content. The biggest factor in making money with Stan Store is content. Without content, there is no audience, and without an audience, there are no sales. Successful creators understand that content is the foundation of everything. They consistently post valuable, engaging, and informative content that attracts people. This content builds trust over time. When people trust you, they are more likely to buy from you. Stan Store is simply the tool that allows you to convert that trust into income. Realistic expectations. It's important to set realistic expectations when starting with Stan Store. You're unlikely to make significant money immediately. Most creators start small and gradually build their income over time. The first sale might feel small, but it's an important milestone. It proves that your system works. From there, growth becomes a matter of consistency and improvement. Over time, small wins can turn into significant results. Who should use Stan Store? Stan Store is ideal for creators, freelancers, coaches, and anyone looking to monetize their skills or knowledge online. It's particularly useful for beginners who want a simple and fast way to start. However, it's not suitable for people who are not willing to create content or provide value. The platform works best for those who are willing to invest time and effort into building an audience and offering something meaningful. The bigger opportunity. Stan Store is part of a larger shift in how people make money online. The creator economy is growing rapidly, and more individuals are turning their skills, knowledge, and attention into income. You no longer need a traditional business structure to succeed. With the right approach, a single person can build a profitable online business. Stan Store is one of the tools that makes this possible by simplifying the process and removing technical barriers. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about making money online, building digital products, and growing your income, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. And if you're thinking about starting your own Stan Store, don't wait. Start simple, stay consistent, and improve as you go. Because in today's world, the biggest opportunity isn't just making money. It's building something that works for you long term. See you in the next video.